Hey everybody, it's Ray from Dynamic Auto, and today we have Christian's beautiful 2021 BMW 330. Gorgeous car. And Chris came down here and told us that he's got a lot of lag in performance. His gas pedal is lagging, and he'd like to have a little bit more power, have a little more fun with the system. And so we installed him the Fast Max by Tury, which is essentially a chip that is plug and play into the vehicle. It took us about 20 minutes to install, and we're here with Danny, which actually reps the product. Hello.
Hey everybody.
And we're going to show you what this system does. So let's get in the vehicle and get the application.
So this is what the application looks like. You have 4 different settings, and each setting you have adjustments from 1 to 9, and that's basically how aggressive the gas pedal will react when you push it.
What's the 4 modes?
The 4 modes are City, Touring, Sport, and Fast. And the thing that it does is it remaps the gas pedal so that the gas pedal responds to when you push on it a lot faster.
So no more lag.
No more lag, exactly.
And at the same time, if they want to save some gas, I guess there's also an economy
mode. You
mode.
can do an economy mode, and then the other thing is you also have a parking mode. You push the P and hold it, and now your gas pedal is going to work at 20%. So if you put your car into valet parking, that's what you do. You put it at 20% so that the valet parking guy doesn't beat on your car.
Nice, that's some good protection.
And then the most important thing is what we call the pedal lock. So you can lock the pedal, and now even if you give somebody your car keys, you cannot drive away with the car. The pedal is dead.
So even if they copy the key, they unlock the door, they get into the vehicle, they start the car, they put it in reverse, they're not going anywhere because
Absolutely.
now the gas pedal is completely disconnected.
100%.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's the first security device that gives you a lot of fun too, because you're remapping your gas pedal so the car will perform like you want it to.
Right on. And me and Chris just actually took the car out for a ride, and we also took it out with Danny. What did he say?
Violent.
Violent.
Yeah.
The difference. So this
and there was a couple of curse words too that we're not going to say on the video.
And so that's the product here from Tury called Fast. We now add dynamic stock, these modules, for almost every single car on the market. So you could actually come down, make us an appointment for 30 minutes. We'll throw it in. You can try it out if you like. And it's something that's very, very impressive. The product comes from which country?
Brazil.
From Brazil. And
Yeah.
it was just introduced into Canada, I think, last year.
Yeah.
And they've done all the testing on it. Don't forget, it is a plug and play product. So no wire cutting, no wire splicing, literally 20 minutes to install. You unplug your gas pedal, plug the gas pedal, the chip in, and replug the original factory plug into it. And boom, it'll work within minutes once you download this app. And really user-friendly, will not allow you to make any type of mistake. And I love that engine kill, the anti-theft system part of it, where it disconnects the gas pedal, because Montreal is known, man, we have so many guys coming in here for alarm systems, and sometimes they're actually going after their car, and then 6 months later they steal another car. We've actually had guys coming in here with 2 vehicles stolen back to back. So that's a huge
If you
problem.
have a Honda CR-V, which is a hot item, you need a Tury in your car, not only for the fun aspect, but to protect your vehicle from being stolen. Because even if you hand the keys to the guy, he will not be able to drive away with your vehicle.
Yeah, that valet mode is also really nice to put it in valet, and they won't be able to kick the car.
If you have a Dodge Challenger RT or something, or a Hellcat,
right,
you need this for your car. That will make a huge difference in the acceleration too. But again, you want to put the gas pedal at 20% when the valet guy is taking it out.
So there we go. Fast by Tury. Come and get some.